Receive the good news, for the kingdom of heaven is at hand. Why does the abomination of desolation appear June 1 in the year of 1966? When Jesus said to the disciples about the end of the world, he spoke figuratively for some critical points, such things as coming of the Son of Man, which is like the days of Noah, and learn a parable of the fig tree, a false prophet. And ye shall see the abomination of desolation stand in the holy place. Whoso readeth, let him understand herewith as the thing. The fig tree, or the abomination of desolation standing in the holy place, is of same meaning, as the abomination of desolation is preferably a critical point. Here comes the interpretation as follows. Refer to Matthew chapter 24, verse 15, Mark chapter 13, verse 14, and 2 Thessalonians chapter 2, verse 3. Looking into Daniel chapter 9, verse 25, know and understand this, from the issuing of the decree to restore and rebuild Jerusalem until the Anointed One, the ruler, comes, there will be 7 sevens and 62 sevens. It will be rebuilt with streets and a trench, but in times of trouble, which meant the Son of the Light, a trench, who is leading the way. The street shall appear passing of 7 sevens and 62 sevens, that is to say, the Son of the Light is just the appearance of the abomination of desolation. Because in verse 26, as the Anointed One, a trench, will be cut off and will have nothing, which in other words signifies, at that time of first come Jesus. Jesus is the way, the street, and John the Baptist a trench who leads the way, knowing when the man of the abomination of desolation is appearing, all the mystery of the heaven shall be unveiled. Because, looking into Daniel chapter 9, verse 27, a period of time of the work of the man of the abomination of the desolation is 1 7 years. And reading Daniel chapter 12, verse 11 to 12, the abomination that maketh desolate set up, there shall be 1,290 days. Blessed is he that waiteth, and cometh to the 1,335 days. One is to know of the date of the year, month, and the day. He is able to know the time when the kingdom of heaven shall begin, as written from the issuing of the decree to restore and rebuild Jerusalem, and as Jerusalem is a figurative word. And as we refer to Zechariah chapter 8, verse 3, it reads, Jerusalem shall be called a city of truth. So, a city of truth was, before second come Jesus comes in presence, all existing churches, the city of truth. Therefore, the one who restored and rebuilt Jerusalem is Martin Luther. The reason why Martin Luther has restored and rebuilt Jerusalem is because, before he carried out a religious revolution, the Roman Catholic Church, as it has been commenced with the gospel on the foundation of first come Jesus, was a city of truth. And as time passes by, Jerusalem, Roman Catholic Church, has been corrupted. Martin Luther took to a religious revolution, and he has restored and rebuilt Jerusalem, a city of truth. Refer to Matthew chapter 8, verse 12. But the children of the kingdom, the saints of the Roman Catholic Church, shall be cast out into outer darkness. There shall be weeping and gnashing of teeth. As stated above, as the commandment to restore and rebuild is of Martin Luther. Calculating on the basis of 1483, the year Martin Luther was born, of the 7 sevens and 60. 2 sevens, the year of the appearance of the man, of the abomination of desolation, can be figured out. Adding 7 sevens and 62 sevens, it makes 69 sevens 69. Sevens is same as 69 weeks, and converting 69 sevens into days, as 1 sevens is 7 days. It is 483 days, but as 483 days elapsed since the birth of Martin Luther, a man of the abomination of desolation, did not appear, and as this is a figuration, and as it is written used similitudes by the ministry of the prophets, and as it reads the law having a shadow of good things to come, and by examining the work of the prophets of the Old Testament. Then it gives a hint of how to convert the days to calculation. Looking into Ezekiel chapter 4, verse 6, I have appointed thee each day for a year. And going over Numbers chapter 14, verse 34, even 40 days, each day for a year. As said, if converting 483 days into years, a day for a year, it is 483 years, so 483 years added to 1483, the year of the birth of Martin Luther, equals 1966. It is therefore the year the man of the abomination of desolation appears, is 1966. Now having understood on the year, then about on the month and the day, it says the second year in the 6th month, in the first day of the month, reading Haggai chapter 1 verse 1. And as this man of the abomination of desolation is ordained to use the date of Haggai chapter 1 verse 1. So, the day the man of abomination of desolation appears is destined to come on the basis of June 1 in 1966. Refer to the first chapter of Haggai about why. That's all about it.
Subscribe and like. Thank you for your listening so far.